tipsy, slightly drunk. He is feeling a bit tipsy. We had drunk 7 glasses of wine and were feeling tipsy. Glitter. Last night the sky was glittering with stars. She is glittering in her new shoes. Plead. Make an emotional appeal. She will plead for mercy. They plead for help. Pounce. To move quickly or jump in order to catch. The cat is pouncing on the mouse. Tom pounced on her. Bask. Sit enjoying the warmth of sun or lie. She is basking on the beach. We like to bask in the sun. Cuddle. He cuddled his wife. Mother cuddled her boy. Expect. To believe something will happen or someone will arrive. The farmer expects that it will rain today. They expect their friend to arrive soon. Incise. To cut the surface of something. The surgeon will incise the patient's skin for the surgery. Be careful not to incise yourself with that blade. Insolent. Rude and not showing respect. The little girl is very insolent. The insolent student is talking back to his teacher. Instigate. To encourage someone to do something bad or violent or to provoke. She instigated a riot in the streets. They tried to instigate a fight. Mother. To speak in a low voice. Speak up and stop mothering. Don't mother when we're studying. Plunder. To steal goods from a place. Pirates often plunder treasure from ships. Thieves try to plunder the bank. Reckless. Doing something dangerous. Driving fast without care is reckless. Talking loudly in the library is reckless. Tremble. My legs are trembling. She opened the letter with trembling hands.